Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and on this channel we talk about all things McCall. Today we're going to be comparing McCall, Idaho versus Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. And we're going to talk about the differences in the two towns, not really which one's better. When I was comparing them, they have a ton of similarities, but there are some small differences, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So McCall has a smaller town vibe than Coeur d'Alene. Coeur d'Alene is just there's a lot more people. So McCall is a smaller town, so with that you're going to get a smaller town vibe here in McCall. It takes 20 minutes to drive around the lake in McCall, and it could take you 2 hours to get around the lake in Coeur d'Alene. Their lake is a lot bigger than our lake. Ours is split up into 3 different lakes, and they have one large lake. And so that's just one of the differences between McCall and Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. In McCall, a positive is that our ski resorts are a lot closer, a lot less driving than if you're in Coeur d'Alene. If you're in McCall, you can be in Brundage in 15 minutes. And if you're in Coeur d'Alene, it takes you 45 minutes to get to the closest ski resort. So with McCall, you're close to the lake and a lot closer to the ski resort. So with the ski resorts being so close, you can drop your kids off at school, head out, get a day of skiing in, and then come back and pick your kids up from school and never miss a beat. McCall has a private airport, and to get to the commercial airport, it takes about 2 to 3 hours. The private airport's just right in town. But with Coeur d'Alene, you are a lot closer, so you'd be at the Spokane airport in about 45 minutes. So McCall's a lot more remote, I would say, than Coeur d'Alene, and just a lot less people in general. McCall and Coeur d'Alene both are very similar on the shopping. We have some basic grocery stores and some little mom and pop shops, a couple of boutiques, but there's not a lot of shopping in either place. So that's just something that's similar. Amazon is going to be your friend when you live in McCall. So our family lives in McCall, Idaho over Coeur d'Alene because we like the small town feel. I prefer the architecture here in McCall. There's not a lot of row houses or mass production homes. Everything's kind of a one-off build, a lot of cabin style houses. You really get that vacation, relaxing feeling when you're here in McCall. And I feel when I go to Coeur d'Alene that it's more of a city. It's outside of the Tri-Cities. You have a lot more influx of people visiting there than you do here. So that's the reason that me and my family like McCall over Coeur d'Alene. So thanks for checking out this video and comparing McCall against Coeur d'Alene. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and just call for any relocation information you need about McCall, Idaho. I'm always here and I always answer.